This 15-inch triple-zone cymbal pad gives you distinct edge, bow, and bell areas, so it can realistically cover both crash and ride duties on an electronic kit. The pad can be wired either as a dual-zone crash with choke or as a full 3-zone ride, making it flexible enough to match a wide range of drum modules and setups. Its rubber playing surface offers a more natural rebound and less plastic feel than many entry-level pads, helping your technique translate better between electronic and acoustic cymbals. Compatibility with Roland-style 3-zone ride inputs and the included rotation stopper make mounting and dialing in the pad straightforward, even on compact stands. The full-size diameter feels like a main ride cymbal rather than a small auxiliary pad, giving you plenty of playing real estate without overwhelming a modest kit footprint. Overall, this cymbal pad delivers expressive triggering, practical configuration options, and a solid gig-ready feel that suits both upgrading beginners and more experienced drummers.